Alright, welcome back, and let's get started with writing a program in Eclipse. Okay, so let's go to File and New Java Project. So this is how we create a new program in Java. This is how we get started. It's going to open up a new Java project window, and all that we need to do is just put in our project name. This is a Java course, so I'm going to say Java Training. Now Eclipse will put this directory, will create a directory inside our workspace, which we've set here. If you want to specify that, you can uncheck this and change the directory, but let's keep it as the same. And I'm going to hit finish, and then Eclipse will generate for me this Java project. Inside the Java project, I'm going to expand, and there's our JRE library. So these are all the Java references we'll use in our projects. And here's our source folder. Now inside the source folder, we want to create a package. So we can right click and go to New and Package. And here we're going to put this package inside Java Training and Source. So a package is an organized way that's going to contain a set of classes that are going to be all similar. So in our case, I'm going to have a few videos here covering the basics of programming. So I'm going to call this Basics and hit Finish. Now here's a package called Basics, and I'm going to create a class, right click, and hit New and New Class. And once again, this is in Java Training Project, Source Folder, Basics Package. The name of our class, let's do the Hello World. So we did this in Notepad, but now we'll do it in Eclipse. There's Hello World. And this is all we need to fill out. We need to make sure we're in the source folder, package, and name. Everything else we'll just leave blank for now, and we'll come back to that later. Now when I hit finish, here we have again our class, which is inside the package, which is inside the source folder, sitting inside the project. Okay, and then Eclipse automatically generates for me this file, this Java file, has a public class, and then the name of our file, Hello World. There's hello world.java. And now this is looking like we did in Notepad, right? So what do we need now? We need our main method. So we do public static void main string args. Now again, that method is what will start the Java program, and then from here we can just say system out dot print line, and then we will say hello world. Okay, save it now, and now in Eclipse, because it's an IDE, we can run it right from this program without having to go through all the steps of compiling and so forth. We just go over to this green button with the play and click that. Now it will run, it will execute, it will compile all at the same time, and if you look down at the console there, it prints out hello world. So that's how we get started with a project in Eclipse, and from here on out you can see the benefits of using Eclipse as our IDE. It highlights certain things, it formats the certain keywords, and so this will be really helpful to maintain our project and to update it and so forth. So that's how we get started, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.